Have you ever tried to extract files from a zip archive, only to wonder if your existing folders will be overwritten? It's a common concern, and today we're going to tackle that question head-on. I totally get it. You want to make sure that when you extract files, they replace the old ones without any hassle. It's frustrating to think about losing important data or having to manually delete folders first. You're definitely not alone in this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked if their code would automatically overwrite existing folders when extracting files from a zip archive. They want to know if there's a simple way to ensure this happens. So, what's the deal with overwriting files during extraction? The good news is that the zip file module in Python does allow for overwriting files, but it's important to understand how it works to avoid any surprises. And stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to use the extractall method effectively, so you won't have to worry about overwriting files ever again. To address the user's question about overwriting files when extracting from a zip archive, we can use the extractall method from the zip file module. This method automatically overwrites existing files in the destination folder. First, the user should modify their existing code to utilize the extractall method. This will simplify the extraction process and ensure that any existing files are replaced. Next, the user should ensure that the destination folder is correctly specified. This is important because the extractall method will extract all files to the provided location. Finally, the user can run the modified script. This will extract all files from the zip archive to the specified location, overwriting any existing files with the same names. Fun fact, did you know that the first zip file was created in 1989? It's amazing how far file compression technology has come since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. A user tested the original code and confirmed that it works as intended. Each time the code is run, it successfully overwrites the existing files in the destination folder. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user provides an alternative approach to ensure that duplicate folders are removed before extracting files from a zip. They check if the package zip exists, then open it and iterate through its contents. If a folder already exists in the destination, they remove it using shuttle.rmtree before extracting the new files. They also handle a second zip for add-on data in a similar way, ensuring that previous versions are cleared out. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the documentation for the libraries you're using. It can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You now know how to extract files from a zip archive while ensuring that existing folders are overwritten. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.